Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can very easily and quickly find a link to any group in the Telegram application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video. Also, do not forget to write comments after watching. And let's get started. So friends, in Telegram, if you want to find a link to any group, you're gonna have to first open that group, and then at the top in the middle, click on the name of that group. And here, friends, you will be able to find the link to the group. Also here, you will be able to find a QR code, which you can easily save. If you click on Send QR Code, you will be able to send this QR code to your favorite user also through any messenger or social network. Also, friends, you can copy it and save it to your gallery. In this way, you will find the link. Also, the link itself, you can click on it whole, click on Copy, and as you can see, the link will be copied. These are the ways you can easily find the link to any group in Telegram application. Friends, I hope this video was useful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye.